family? Okay, so we'll get it in the movie.
Whoa! I can't see.
Down here on the passage. On the boardwalk? On the boardwalk.
Oh my god! Cool! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! What the heck?
Oh,
That was pretty. Oh my god! Do you think that was awesome? Yeah, awesome.
Well, young to be swearing.
That was awesome. That was awesome. Yeah.
Joseph?
What?
All the old seniors in the night ride there. Condos down there. Probably woke them right up, man. Just probably woke them right up, man. That great big bad.
Oh my God, it's World War III. I'll live to do this again. Hope none of them survive World War II.
Yeah, awesome.
People shouldn't use their flash to take pictures of these. Just text their pictures. Who's going to hit the bikes?
Okay, cool. We'll just watch it sit on.
I have a 100-watt speaker on me, or in the car. Remember one year there was the shipping port, and Buddy on the ship took a flare gun and kept shooting the flares off. You know how long flares last, right? It landed in the port, and they had it. I looked out my binoculars and I seen Buddy. There's one of the security guards at the port drove down and had fire to the flare because it almost lit the container on fire. You need to turn those big floodlights off.